Honestly, this is one of the best investments I've ever made for my car, and it's already saved me over $600. But you don't want to keep spending money on car washes? Let me show you how. All you need is a SEESE Cordless Pressure Washer. Grab a 5-gallon bucket, drop the intake hose right into the water, pick it up, and just start spraying. Look how fast this thing cleans. It has an adjustable nozzle so you can switch spray modes easily. Cars, trucks, driveways, tight, dirty spots, it handles all of it. And it also comes with a foam cannon attachment. One pull of the trigger and the foam just explodes out. No waiting like those cheap foam sprayers. In just a few seconds, the entire car is fully covered. It runs on a rechargeable battery, so it's super quiet and way more powerful than a regular garden hose. This portable pressure washer is perfect for anyone who doesn't have access to a hose. You can finally stop wasting money at those drive-through car washes. One tool, wash at home, save money for life. It's selling fast right now. I dropped the link here. I heard only the first 200 orders get free shipping, so grab one before it's gone.